What's up, guys?
Welcome back to our channel. If you're new, I'm Bella.
I'm Celine.
I'm Brian.
And today we're going to be making slime.
But before we begin, make sure to hit that big thumbs up button and subscribe if you haven't already.
Let's
get started.
So today we'll be needing gloves, water,
Elmer's glue.
A bowl, a spoon, and sodium tetrachloride.
sodium tetraborate.
You're not going to know.
Sodium tetraborate. According to Google, slime is a moist, soft, and slippery substance typically regarded as repulsive.
Okay. So we're bringing in an expert. She knows a lot about slime. She makes slime every single day. Come on in, tell us the science behind slime.
The science behind slime is that the chemical in glue called polyvinyl alcohol, it mixes with the chemical in sodium tetraborate, which is just sodium tetraborate, and that clumps up to make a polymer called slime.
Wow.
Let's get started. So we're gonna put on our gloves because we don't want third-degree burns.
So the first thing you want to do after you put on your gloves is take your sodium tetraborate and pour it into the water. It's important that you don't touch it because we don't want any third-degree burns.
Only pour a little bit. A little goes a long way.
Good enough. So now that you're done putting in your sodium tetraborate, you want to shake the water bottle to
Let it sit.
now that you're done putting in the sodium tetraborate, you just want to let the water sit.
And we wait.
And now let's
just kidding, we
take
don't
our
wait.
bowl and take the glue. Today we're going to be using glitter glue.
So now we're going to take our glue and we're going to pour it into the bowl. You can be creative and use whatever kind of glue you want. However, it is critical that you use a glue that has PVA in it. PVA stands for polyvinyl alcohol, and without it, slime will not work.
If you use the glitter glue, it already is obviously colored. It has glitter, so you don't need additional glitter or food coloring. But if you do use the white or clear glue, you could use, or you need to add food coloring or whatever you want to make it,
That's nice.
That already looks like slime.
That's fine. We could just use that.
Like the whole thing.
More?
We should add more.
Right, more. Add the whole thing, who cares? Okay, that's good. Should we mix the two?
Hashtag glue farts.
Touch the glue?
No, hashtag glue farts. Hashtag glue farts.
Hashtag glue farts.
So after you pour the glue into the bowl, take your water with the borax in it. Poke a little hole at the top so that not a lot of water comes out because you really don't need too much. And just add it.
Stop. And mix.
Now you need to mix.
Add more later though.
We're gonna add more later though.
Little at a time.
Little at a time.
Now we're gonna add more.
This is really starting to look like slime.
That's enough. We're gonna add more once again.
Oh, we need more.
Okay, we need more.
Here, add more now.
What is
Degree burn. Slime expert is back.
There's no way this is right. Oh, the activator's not mixing in well.
Not a food. Do not eat.
Stop.
Eye and skin
You
irritant.
need to slow down.
Avoid contact with eyes and skin directly. Degree burn. Not to be used by children.
Aww. I'm not doing any of those.
So our stage director is making slime. Show it to the camera.
Wow.
Right.
Tell them that I'm using the exact same way you did, but I'm not me.
Because you asked us to put so much glue.
It was your idea to put over the whole
No.
Add the whole thing. Who cares?
That's probably why.
Get the feet in it.
Is it done already?
It was too sticky. So I added more active nature.
And did it work? And this is our final product.
Wow.
Woo!
We can all play with it.
Woo! It's stretchy.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay.
And now we're gonna show you a montage of us having fun with our slime. For today, guys. Thank you guys for watching.
Make sure to like, subscribe, leave a comment down below if you enjoyed this video.
We post videos every Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday.
So make sure you click the bell notification thingy-majiggy so that you get a notification for when we post, because we post every single day. So, yeah.
Thanks, guys. We'll see you
Bye.
tomorrow.
Everyone cover the camera.